Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Matt Bogosian. I'm a real estate agent right here in Middle Tennessee. And today I am coming to you from Lebanon, Tennessee, and specifically from West End Station. I'm gonna take you on a tour through this end unit townhome that was built by Meritage Homes. Come on, let's go check it out. All right guys, before we go in, I just want you to notice a couple things about this end unit townhome. First of all, it's got a 2-car garage. And what the 2-car garage does is, of course, gives you the 2-car garage, but it also gives you the wider driveway. If you look down at the interior units, they only have 1-car width driveway. This is 2-car width. So it's much larger and you get that 2-car garage. And then if you notice the little private entrance there on the side, which is the one we're gonna take in, is special and unique to the end units as well. You get like your own little private entrance, which I think is nice. You're not like having to run into your neighbor every time you come out the door, and you know, that can be a bummer. All these have smart locks. Oops, hopefully I didn't just mess that up. Check this out. How awesome is this, guys? These townhomes are 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,834 square feet. And as you can see, they have huge kitchens. Look at all that cabinet space, a giant island. You've got a little spot right here to put a table. You can put some stools here. I mean, isn't this just amazing? I think it looks great. You've got your microwave, you've got your oven, you've got your dishwasher, and wait for it, hold it. Let me set this up here because I have something to say. All right guys, so I know you see this refrigerator right here. Yes, the refrigerator is included, but get this, they also include the washer and dryer. I haven't seen a builder do that ever. So they are including the refrigerator, your microwave, your oven, your dishwasher, and a washer and dryer. I think that's amazing. Meritage Homes really stepped up and they're doing what they can do to provide you with good value and make your life easier. You can just move right in and throw out all your old junk, or if you're a first-time home buyer and you don't have that stuff, don't sweat it. You're not gonna need it. All right, let's just check out the rest of this kitchen quick. Like I said, there's this huge island. It's got this big double wide sink. I love that. You can see you're facing these windows right here. That's also unique to a townhome. The other interior units are not gonna have these windows on the side. You've got a nice living room area. Let me show you the pantry really quick. There's a little bar right here to put your coffee maker, whatever else. Nice size pantry. I love that. Also over here is the garage. Let's check that out. And that's what's another thing. This is like a true 2-car garage. It even feels like it's a little bit longer. It feels great. It's a real 2-car garage. It's not like I've seen them where they're just so tiny and they're not real true 2-car garages. That one is. Check out the smart outlet. I call it a smart outlet. It's got the USB ports. They've got the smart lock on the front. They've got a thermostat that you can hook up to an app. The garage door opener can get hooked up to an app. You'd put your TV right there. You'd put a little setup with couches and a little table right there. This is just like a giant closet. I say giant, it's just, I mean, it's really good size. And they just left it open so you can do whatever you want with it. You've got this back patio right here. I think this is probably a 10 by 10 pad, little space. I mean, when you're in a townhome, you're not buying it to have a giant yard and like all this privacy. It just doesn't happen in townhomes. You're gonna be closer to people, but this is still a nice spot for you to come out and sit out, maybe have a Marlboro, I'm just kidding, a cigar, or just grill and just relax and have a good time. Let me just kind of give you guys a view of the kitchen and this downstairs area from right here. So to the left over here, you've got the stairs going up, but you also have a half bathroom. So you don't have to go upstairs every time you have to go to the bathroom. I think that's great. And I believe I mentioned this, but let me just repeat. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 1,834 square feet. Stick with me. I will tell you guys the price of this unit once we get to the end. I know you're probably wondering what that is. So when you get to the top of the stairs, it's like a larger loft area right here. Of course, you need to leave a little space so you can walk through, but they've got hookup for a TV right here. So I'm thinking you could put a nice little L-shaped couch right there, a little coffee table, and there's still room to come through and go that way or go over to these 2 bedrooms right here. All right, so this is bedroom number 2. Really good size. Plenty of room for a kid, or if you want to put an office up here or a little workout room. I mean, it's plenty of space. This goes into, oh, let me show you this. This is the closet. Nice closet right here. Oh, check out this view too. Look at what is across the street. How awesome is that? Really nice pool. Also, you get your mail right over there. It's kind of hard to see by that police car though. So, huge pool. So if you're a social person, I think it's great. You can just put on your flip-flops, grab a couple brewskis, run across the street, chug them, come back, get more, get some food, and just have a great day. I don't recommend you doing that, but it's possible. You might think about it. So this is a Jack and Jill bathroom. It's got a really nice insert right there. There's plenty of shelves to put shampoos and soaps, and really nice shower. You've got your toilet, you've got your counters, and you've got your vanity right here. Nice sink. Everything's like newer and fresh. I love new houses. And then this goes right into bedroom number 3, which is a little bit different shape, but it's very similar size. Plenty of room to put a full or a queen size bed and a dresser, and still have space to get around. And then this one here actually has a bigger closet. So I think that's nice. All right, moving on. I want to show you guys, we'll go down the hallway here. To the left is the laundry room with the included washer and dryer. I think that's amazing. I'm telling you guys, I don't know anybody that's doing that. I know you might say, well, that's only like $1,000 or $1,200, but that usually is $1,200 or $1,500 out of your pocket. At least it's included. You've got a nice linen closet right here. To the left is just another big closet that they left open, so you can do whatever you want with this one. It's good size though. Probably that's probably perfect for like Christmas trees or that type of stuff, or the one downstairs could handle that. This could take some other stuff. And then we've got the master bedroom. Look at this. It's giant. This is bigger than a lot of houses. Really nice master bedroom. Plenty of windows. You've got that window on the side. Like I said, if you get an interior unit, you're only gonna have back windows. This one here has got a side window, so there's a little bit more natural light. All right, check out this walk-in closet. Boom. It's huge, guys. Let me just kind of stand back in this corner. It's huge. Really nice. I don't feel like in this townhome you have to compromise much when it comes to space. A lot of times you see smaller homes and they're older and they don't have any closet space, especially in the master. You really can live comfortably here and have plenty of room. If you're like a couple that's a first-time home buyer, or somebody looking to downsize, or maybe you're somebody that's single and you don't need a lot of space, this is really awesome. I mean, they're priced well, which I'll tell you when we get to the end, and they've got like a lot of space, so you can have an office and plenty of clothes, and it's really, they really did a good job with this floor plan. So you come into the bathroom, there's a double vanity right there. Really nice. You've got your lights, your mirror. That is the toilet right there. And then check out the shower. I think it's a really nice shower. I'll try to get you guys the full view. It's got the fiberglass insert for the bottom, which I love because you're not gonna have to clean all the grout and it's not gonna get all dirty. And then you've got the tile surround. And they've got a little shelf right there for you to put your shampoo and stuff. I think that's great. That's the little toilet room right there. Okay. All right, so let's go downstairs and talk about price. Let's just talk about everything about what you get and why I think if you are in the market for an affordable home or townhome that you should consider this townhome built by Meritage Homes. Let me see if I can't set this up. Let's do it like this. All right, hold it. Hold that thought, guys. All right, guys, so this end unit is listed for $354,000. Keep in mind, you get all the appliances, including the refrigerator or washer and dryer, and get this, Meritage is offering assistance with closing costs right now as well. That could change, but as of right now, you can get your closing costs covered as well. So that means like the only cash out of pocket would be your down payment. So if you're a first-time home buyer or you're using an FHA loan, I'm sure some conventional do this as well, that's like 3.5% is all you need for cash down, and you can get into this townhome and stop paying rent. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you're thinking of moving here to Middle Tennessee, please click the link down in the description below. Schedule a quick 15-minute phone call with me and we can talk about what you're looking for and what your goals and objectives are and help get you in to that home or townhome of your dreams. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.